Alright, let's talk about unique number of occurrence. So you are given an integer array and then you are going to check the frequency, basically a frequency. So the frequency for each number cannot be the same. So 1 it occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 1 time. So the frequency are not the same, but for this case 1 occurs 1 time, 2 occurs 1 time, so you return false in this case. And the constraint is from the value could be negative 100 to positive 100. So you can put everything into positives and like convert a negative number to positives, but you have to like expand your array. So let's just jump forward to my idea. So int, and then we have 1000, right? 1000 for positive, negative 1000 for negative, right? So it's 2000, right? But we have to including ourselves, so it's 1000, 2000, so it's plus 2, right? 1000 and negative 1000, so it's 2 value you have to include. Now we can just add every single digit into counting array and then increment when we see the value. So int in nums in array cnt nums just plus 1000, right? And plus plus. Why we have to plus 1000? Because the number could be negative. So the negative 1000 in the array will be index 0, and the positive it will be at 2002, right? So okay. Now what should we do? Like we can put into the hash set, and then if there is the same frequency, then we can just return false, right? So hash set integer set hash set. So I'm just loop through into the counting array, right? So we can say set.add, you add a number. When you add this number, you will return true and false, right? And we also need to check what none is not equal to 0, because if we didn't add a value, the frequency will become 0, right? If this doesn't equal to 0 and we add it, and then it will return false when there is a duplicate, right? So it's not, right? When you add it, you found inside the set, you return false. I will talk about example later, but let's just see the problem. Okay, pretty good, right? Pretty good. Okay, let's talk about why I'm using this. So frequency for this case, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 occurs 1 time, 2 occur 1 time. So if I add 1, right? Set.add 1, the frequency 1 will return true, right? Because there's nothing inside the set, right? But if I add another one, which is in the set, that will return false for set.add, because set.add is a Boolean function. So make sure you know the trick. And for time and space is the all of 2002, okay? And then the time is all of n. Why? But looping every single integer in the array, and that will be the same thing all of 2002. So which one is greater based on what you understand, based on your value. If n is greater than 2000, then you will just return 2000. If n is less than 2000, then just n. Alright, so it's either time is either 2002 or n. So space is all of 2002, and that will be it. So pretty straightforward, and peace out.